Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening WhatsApp and finding the chat or contact you want to stop. Tap the person's name at the top to open contact info. This puts block controls where you expect them. Once the info screen appears, scroll until you see block and report options, then tap block and confirm. This prevents their messages and calls from reaching you. Make sure to pause and read the confirmation so you know what will change before you commit, because blocking is reversible but immediate. If you prefer a centralized method, go to WhatsApp settings, then account, then privacy, and open blocked contacts. This shows everyone you've blocked. Tap add to pick a contact or enter a number. This is useful when you don't have an open chat. Once added, that person cannot message or call you directly. However, be aware that you may still see them in mutual group chats. Make sure to double-check the list, because changes here take effect straight away and apply across devices tied to your account. To finish, confirm the block and then verify behavior. Blocked people can't send you messages or call you, and WhatsApp does not notify them. If you change your mind, open contact info or the blocked contacts list, select the person and tap unblock. This restores messaging immediately. If the block option is missing, make sure your app is up to date and restart your phone. If that fails, check app permissions and storage. This troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly, so try it before contacting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.